You uploaded a video, you waited, and it still says 0 views. If this keeps happening to you, do not worry. Today I'll show you exactly why and how to fix it step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to Muso 2019. If you're new to YouTube and your videos are getting no views at all, this video will save you months of frustration. I'll explain the real reasons your videos get 0 views and show you what to do instead, even if your channel is brand new. Let's start with the #1 mistake. The biggest reason YouTube videos get 0 views is simple. Nobody is searching for that topic. YouTube does not push videos randomly. If no one is searching for your topic, YouTube has no reason to show it. If you upload a video called My Daily Routine at Home and nobody knows you, YouTube will not recommend it. Before uploading, search your video idea on YouTube. If you see many similar videos, that's good. It means demand exists. Choose topics like how to, why fix tutorial step by step. Your title is the main reason people click, or don a click. If your title is boring, unclear, or too long, people scroll past. Bad title, my experience. With YouTube, good title. Why your YouTube videos get 0 views and how to fix it. Use titles that solve a problem, create curiosity, explain value clearly. Even if YouTube shows your video, nobody clicks if the thumbnail is bad. A bad thumbnail means too much text, small text, no emotion, no contrast. Use 2-4 big words only. Make text readable on a phone. Show emotion or a clear problem. Example text ideas. 0 views. Why? Big mistake. Most new YouTubers lose viewers in the first 10 seconds. If people click and leave, YouTube stops promoting your video. Bad opening. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about good opening. If your YouTube video is stuck at 0 views, this is the exact reason. Start with a problem, a question, a strong statement. Many people upload one video and expect views. YouTube doesn't trust new channels yet. Upload consistently. Even 2-3 videos per week is enough. Your old videos can suddenly get views months later. YouTube needs help understanding your video. Always put your main keyword in the title. Repeat it naturally in the description. Add relevant tags. Say the keyword in your video. Getting 0 views does not mean you failed. Every successful YouTuber started exactly where you are. The difference is they didn't quit. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe to Muso 2019
YouTube
for some growth guides. And comment below, how many views is your latest video getting? I'll reply and help you.